Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 7.1 sixth sum. What is given? Consider the matrix A alpha equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. This one matrix is given. First one, show that A alpha, A beta is equal to A alpha plus beta. We prove A alpha, A beta equal to A alpha plus beta. Second one, find all possible real values of alpha. Find all possible real values of alpha. We take only possible real values. Okay. Satisfying the condition. One condition is given. A alpha plus A alpha transpose. T means you get transpose is equal to I. I means identity matrix, unit matrix. Okay. This one condition is given. Okay. We want all possible values of alpha. Real values. All possible real values of alpha. First one, what is given? Solution. First one, show that A alpha, A beta is equal to A alpha plus beta. That like proof. Okay. So first we take LCM. Left hand side, LHS is equal to, what is LHS? A alpha, A beta is equal to, we can write what is A alpha matrix is given here. Cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. This is given. Into, next we take A alpha matrix. Yes, sorry, A beta. A beta means we put here. Here alpha means, A alpha means we put here cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. A beta means we put here beta like this. Okay. So into cos beta like this put. Okay. Minus sin beta. Then next sin beta. Then cos beta. This is A beta matrix. A beta matrix. Okay. Now multiply both matrices. Okay. How to multiply? Already you know. We take first row, first matrix first row and second matrix first column. First multiply. The corresponding elements only multiply. What is corresponding element? Here cos alpha, cos beta. Now multiply cos alpha. Here alpha, here beta. Different value. Okay. Both are different value. So cos alpha, cos beta. Then minus sin alpha, sin beta. Here minus, here plus. You put minus sin alpha, sin beta. Then same first row, the second column multiply. Cos alpha minus sin beta. So if you plus here minus, so it minus cos alpha sin beta. Then second corresponding elements minus sin alpha cos beta. So here minus, here plus sin, here minus sin, here put here no place, here only write. Okay, sin alpha cos beta. Okay, so next you take here second row and first columns multiply. Sin alpha cos beta. So corresponding elements only multiply. Sin alpha cos beta. Then here also plus, here also plus cos alpha sin beta. So next, first second row, second columns multiply. Sin alpha minus sin beta. Here plus the minus, we put minus sin alpha cos sin beta. Then cos, here also plus, here also plus, we put here plus sin. Cos alpha cos beta. Multiplication over. Okay. Then is equal again simplification. Is equal, you know, cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. What formulas have? Cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta means we put here. Here also cos, same ratio given. Here also sin, same ratio given means we put cos. Here different sign means we put sin. Okay. So here same sign cos, sin, same ratios given. So we put here cos alpha. Here minus sign means we put here plus. Okay. Cos alpha plus beta. Then Here also minus, here also minus having, we take commonly minus. And so next we want to cos alpha sin beta plus cos alpha sin beta, like this given. Okay, so cos alpha sin beta, here ratio, different ratio coming, cos sin, different ratio means we put to sin alpha plus beta. Okay, so next here sin alpha cos beta, here also different ratios have. So we put a different ratio means we put here sin. Here sin different ratio means here sin no change. Here plus means we put here plus. Okay, plus, so sin alpha plus beta, like this. Then here also plus, here minus, here cos alpha cos beta, reversely take cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Here also ratio, same ratio, cos sin means we use cos. Okay, so cos alpha plus beta. Okay, so that's equal to here, you see here first matrix here a alpha is equal to cos A, here also cos, here minus sin, here also minus sin, here sin alpha, here also sin, here cos, here also cos. The ratio is same, but degree, here alpha plus beta. Alpha means A, we take all A alpha matrix. Suppose cos beta means here all degrees beta means we take A beta. So here alpha plus means we put here A alpha plus beta. That's all. This is RHS. Okay? Hence the proof. Hence proof. That's all. Okay, the next one, find all possible real values of alpha. We want all possible real values of alpha. Satisfying the condition. So conditions given. First we take this condition. Okay. This is also very simple one. Second one. What is the condition? A alpha plus A alpha transpose equal to I means identity matrix, unit matrix. Okay. First we write A alpha matrix. What is A alpha? Cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha into, what is A alpha transpose? Transpose means the row wise we can write column wise. Okay, so first row we can write first column wise. The second row we can write second column wise, right? Okay, this is transpose. So cos alpha minus sin alpha. The second row we can write second column wise. So sin alpha cos alpha is equal to, what is the right side here? Identity matrix will be given. This order, this matrix order 2 by 2, 2 rows and 2 columns will be given. So we take the identity matrix also 2 rows. We want 2 rows and 2 columns. So what is the identity of 2 rows and 2 columns matrix? 1 0. First we take 1. Okay, 1 0. Next we get 0 1. The diagonals, main diagonals we want to 1 1. Okay, so 1 0 0 1. This is identity matrix of 2 by 2 order. Okay. Okay, now multiply both matrices. Sorry, add here plus means put here plus. Plus. Now add these two matrices. Okay, how to add here? Here corresponding elements will be added. So here cos alpha plus cos alpha. Cos alpha plus cos alpha, you get 2 cos alpha. Yes, here minus sin alpha plus sin alpha. Minus sin alpha plus sin alpha, we get 0. Then here sin alpha plus into minus minus. So sin alpha minus sin alpha, we get 0. Cos alpha plus cos alpha, we get cos alpha plus cos alpha, 2 cos alpha. So 2 cos alpha. That's equal to identity matrix 1 0 0 1, like this. So here both matrices are equal. Equal means this corresponding elements also equal. So what is the corresponding element here? 2 cos alpha, 2 cos alpha equal to, we get 1. We want alpha only. Okay, so the 2 change to right side. The numbers only change it. So cos alpha equal to 1 by 2. What is alpha? Alpha equal to cos alpha is 1 by 2. Which degree? 1 by 2 means 60 degree. Cos 60 degree, we get 1 by 2. Okay, 60 degree. So we get 60 degree. Okay, what is the radians of 60 degree? So alpha is equal to pi by 3. Pi means 180. Okay, 180 divided by 3, we get 60 degree. So 60 degree radiant value pi by 3, like this, right? Okay. Next, if you want all possible real values of alpha. We want all possible real values. So means we take general form of this alpha. Okay. So how to write? You know one trigonometry formula, cos x equal to cos y, like this given means we want x is equal to, here cos given means 2n by plus 2n by, okay, plus alpha. This is general form, plus or minus, here plus or minus alpha. This is general form equation, okay, a formula. So we get x is equal to 2n by plus or minus, what is alpha here? Pi by 3. So pi by 3. What is n here? N belongs to z. Yes, this is integer. That's all. This is all possible value of, all possible real values of alpha. Okay. Here alpha, we put here alpha, we put here, here alpha comes, we put here identifier, we put here x. Okay. No change. That's x. The x meaning alpha, we take alpha. Okay. Okay, that's all. The next we go to 10th sum. You know the trigonometry identity. First one, cos A cos B plus B. Okay, cos B plus sin A sin B is equal to, we can write it, cos A minus B. Cos A minus B equal to, we get cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. The second one, this one trigonometry identity. So cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is equal to, and cos A plus B. Then third identity, sin A cos B. Here ratio, different ratio coming, sin cos plus cos A sin B equal to sin A plus B. Okay, here ratio, different ratio coming. Different ratio means you put sin. Here sin no change. Here plus means you put here plus. See here. Here ratio no change. Here also cos, here also cos. Here same ratio coming. Sin. Like this we put here cos. So sign changed. Here minus means put here plus. Okay. Here ratio no change, but the sign only changed. Ratio no change, but here sign only changed. Here ratio change, but the sign no change. Okay. Here ratio change means we put here sign. Here ratio no change means put cos. Okay, like this. Understand? Okay. Fourth one, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B equal to, you want sin A minus B, like this. This four results are very important results. Okay, you record. Okay, next 10th sum. What is given? Give your own examples. give, very important, give your own examples. We take only own examples. Okay, examples of matrices satisfying the following conditions. Conditions given, conditions in each case. In each case. Okay. What is first one? First case, A and B. We take two matrices A and B such that AB not equal to B. We get AB not equal to BA. That like we take any two matrices. Give your own examples of matrices satisfying these conditions. We take any two matrices. The two matrices, first AB value and BA value, we get not equal to. Okay, that like we select two matrices. So first solution, one by one we go solve. So first we take two matrices. First we take A. Equal to, we put here A, for example, A equal to your own examples. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. What is next matrix? We take 0, -1, 2, 3, like this. Select this two matrices. Okay, right. See, next we multiply AB. Okay, so AB is equal to, what is A matrix? 1, 2, 3, 4 into B matrix 0, -1, 2, 3. Now multiply both matrices. Here 1 into 0, 0, 2 into 2. Here also plus 4. So 1 into -1, 2 into 3 plus 6. Next take second row, first column multiply. 3 into 0, 0, 4 2s are 8 plus. Then 3 into -1, -3 plus 12. Like this given. Is equal to 0 plus 4 we get 4. -1 plus 6 we get 5. 0 plus 8, 8. -3 plus 12 we get 9. This is one matrix AB. This is number 1. Next we want BA. Next we multiply BA matrix. First we can write B matrix. What is B matrix here? 0, -1, 2, 3. Then we can write A matrices. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now multiply is equal to 0 into 1, 0. -1 into 3, -3. 0 into 2, 0. -1 into 4, -4. 2 into 1, 2. 3 into 3 plus 9. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 4 plus 12. Okay. So is equal to, we get 0 -3 -3 -4 11. 2 plus 9 11. 4 plus 16. This is BA. This is equation number 2. Now see here, AB matrix we get 4, 5, 8, 9. BA we get -3, -4, 11, 16. So both are not equal. Okay, both are not equal. So therefore, AB not equal to BA. Cancel. Okay. Okay, next one, second one, we take own examples. Okay, now we take own examples. A matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. B matrix we take 0, -1, 2, 3. So we get AB not equal to BA. So satisfied. Then second one, what is second one? A and B such that A and B such that AB equals, we want AB equal to 0, BA also we want 0, AB equal to 0 equal to BA. Okay, here A, we want A not equal to 0 and B not equal to 0. Like this we select two matrices. Okay, solution. First you take A matrix, A equal to, we take first only one, and this only we take number 1, 0, other all 0. We take 2 by 2 matrix, 1, 0, 0 like this. Then second here we take first row 0 and then second row 0, 2 like this given. Next we want to AB. AB equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2 like this given. That's it. Now multiply 1 into 0, 0, 0 here 0, totally 0 coming. Here 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 2 get total 0. Here 0, here also 0, so totally 0. 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 2, 0, so total all 0. So 0, 0 matrix we would get 0. So AB equal to we get 0. Okay, AB equal to 1 to 0. Then we take BA. We find BA value. What is B matrix? 0, 0. First we take 0 matrix. 0, 2 into what is A matrix? 1, 0, 0, 0 like this. That's equal to, here also multiply 0 into 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So total gets 0. 0 into 0, 0, 0. Totally gets 0. 0 into 1, 0. 2 into 0, 0. Totally gets 0. 0 into 0, 2 into 0, 0. Totally gets 0. So equal to 0. Okay. So here AB, therefore AB equal to 0 and BA also 0. Okay. Then A not definitely here A equal to 1, 0, 0, 0 means it is A not equal to 0. Okay. B also not equal to 0. A not equal to 0 and B also not equal to 0. Hence, that's all. Okay. Then third condition, what is given? Third condition, A and B, A and B such that AB equal to 0. We want AB equal to, like this we select two matrices. Okay, AB equal to 0 and BA not equal to 0. Like this we select two matrices. We want two matrices. Okay, how to select? So solution, first we take A matrix. A is equal to like this 2, 3, 0, 0 like this one. Here I put any numbers. Okay. B equal to selects 0, 0, 1, 2 like this given. Want AB. First we multiply AB. AB equal to A matrix 2, 0, 3, 0 into 0, 0, 1, 2. That's equal to 2 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0. So totally 0. 2 into 0, 0, 0 into 2, 0. Totally 0. 3 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, totally 0. 3 into 0, 0, 0 into 2, 0. Totally gets 0. So equal to is 0 matrices. So AB equal to we get 0. We want AB equal to 0. First one. Next we want BA value. BA equal to what is B matrix? First we can write it B matrix. What is B matrix? 0, 0, 1, 2. A matrix 2, 0, 3, 0. Now multiply. Okay, 0 into 2, 0. 0 into 3, 0. Totally 0. We get 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. We get totally 0. 1 into 2, 2. Here also plus, here also plus. Plus 2 into 3, we get 6. 2 this is 6. 1 is 1 into 0, 0. 2 into 0, 0. Totally we get 0. That's equal to 0, 0. 2 plus 6, we get 8, 0. So BA is not equal to 0. Here one element coming. Okay. So BA not equal to 0. Hence, that's all. Okay, right. So today homework. Today homework exercise 7.1. 15, 16, 17 and 18. Okay, continuation number 79 to 82, like this. Okay, thank you, boys.